Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how do I talk to a live person at Wix. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open a browser and type here wix.com/contact and select a topic. I'm going to selecting here accepting payments. And now select a topic from this list. And you will get this option here, talk to a human. So select this option. And now click on start a live chat. And here you can see agent has been joined to the conversation, and this is how we can talk to a live person at Wix. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute it. Thank you for watching.